Many people in the world today are living better, maybe longer, but not necessarily stronger. We've extended lifespan, but many are losing mobility, balance, and leg strength far too early. And here's the hard truth. It's not always age that weakens the legs, it's muscle loss. After age 40, adults can lose up to 3 to 8% of muscle mass per decade, and that rate accelerates after 60. By 80 or 90, weak legs become one of the biggest risk factors for falls, fractures, loss of independence, hospitalization. Has this ever happened to you? You stand up from a chair and it takes more effort than it used to. You climb stairs and your legs feel heavy. You walk longer distances and your thighs burn quickly. You tell yourself, it's just aging. But what if it's not just aging? What if it's nutrition and timing that's making the difference? Today, we're talking about specific foods and simple habits that support muscle repair, reduce inflammation, and help maintain strong legs even into your 80s and 90s. And you want to stick around because at the end of this video, I'll share one powerful strategy about when to eat protein after activity that most people completely overlook. Before we begin, like this video if staying strong as you age matters to you. Subscribe to Green Health for practical, science-informed, healthy aging tips. Let me know in the comments, do your legs feel as strong as they did 10 years ago? Let's begin. 1. Wild salmon, protecting muscle with omega-3s. If there's one food many surgeons and sports physicians consistently recommend for muscle and joint support, it's fatty fish, especially wild salmon. Why? Wild salmon contains high-quality, complete protein, omega-3 fatty acids, EPA and DHA, vitamin D, B vitamins. Omega-3s are critical for reducing chronic inflammation, which increases as we age and interferes with muscle recovery. Research suggests omega-3s may help improve muscle protein synthesis, reduce muscle soreness, support joint comfort, and enhance recovery after activity. But here's something most people don't know. How you cook salmon matters. High heat can damage delicate omega-3 fats. To protect them, bake gently at moderate temperatures, steam or poach. Avoid deep frying. And here's the strategy most people miss. Eating protein within 1 to 2 hours after movement or exercise helps maximize muscle repair. You want to stick around because combining food timing with movement is where real strength gains happen. 2. Movement, the trigger for muscle growth. Food alone doesn't build strong legs. Movement signals the body to use protein for repair. Even simple activities matter. Walking, chair squats, light resistance bands, step-ups, balance exercises. Muscle strength is directly linked to longevity. In fact, grip strength and leg strength are strong predictors of overall survival in older adults. Has this ever happened to you? You avoid activity because you feel weak, but avoiding activity makes you weaker. It's a cycle. The solution? Gentle, consistent resistance. Then nourish your muscles properly afterward. 3. Black beans, plant-based protein and muscle support. Black beans are rich in plant-based protein, fiber, magnesium, iron. Magnesium supports muscle contraction and nerve function. Fiber stabilizes blood sugar, which matters because insulin resistance can accelerate muscle loss. Black beans also provide slow-digesting carbohydrates, fueling activity without rapid spikes and crashes. Adding beans to meals may help maintain steady energy, support muscle metabolism, and improve gut health. Let me know in the comments, do you include beans in your weekly meals? 4. Sweet potatoes, clean fuel for active muscles. Carbohydrates are not the enemy. Quality matters. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates, potassium, vitamin A, and antioxidants. Potassium is essential for muscle contractions and preventing cramps. When paired with protein, sweet potatoes help replenish glycogen stores after movement, especially in active seniors. This supports recovery and prevents muscle breakdown. 5. Sardines and olive oil. Small fish, big impact. Sardines are one of the most nutrient-dense foods available. They provide omega-3 fatty acids, calcium, vitamin D, complete protein. And when packed in olive oil, you also get heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. Because sardines are small fish, they typically contain lower mercury levels than larger species. For older adults concerned about bone density and muscle strength, sardines are a powerful addition. The real secret? Timing plus consistency. Here's what a surgeon might emphasize. Strong legs aren't built from one meal. They're built from consistent protein intake, anti-inflammatory nutrition, strategic movement, and recovery within 1 to 2 hours post-activity. When you move your muscles, you activate repair signals. When you eat protein shortly after, you give your body the building blocks to respond. That's how muscle maintenance works, even at 80 or 90. Important note, no food guarantees strength, and if you have kidney disease, heart conditions, or other medical concerns, consult your healthcare provider before major dietary changes. This video is about supporting muscle health, not replacing medical advice. Aging does not automatically mean weakness. Loss of muscle, called sarcopenia, is common, but it is not inevitable. Nutrition, resistance activity, and recovery timing can dramatically influence strength as you age. Focus on quality protein, omega-3 fats, mineral-rich whole foods, regular movement, and smart recovery. Strong legs mean independence. Independence means freedom, and that is worth protecting. If this video helped you, like it. Subscribe to Green Health for practical healthy aging strategies, and tell me which of these foods will you add first, because staying strong at 90 isn't luck, it's preparation. Thank you for watching to the end, and I hope to see you in the next one. Green Health Cares.